Mesothelioma symptoms. Mesothelioma commonly has a long dormancy period, implying that numerous years will go between presentation to asbestos and the improvement of the ailment. Actually, patients with mesothelioma symptoms ordinarily don't show side effects until quite a few years after the underlying asbestos presentation. Since mesothelioma indications copy those of less genuine infections, numerous patients who create asbestos malignancy are ignorant of their possibly dangerous condition. People with a background marked by asbestos presentation should plan a meeting with their primary care physicians to screen for asbestos-related illnesses. Since mesothelioma doesn't present early indications, people who were in contact with asbestos ought to illuminate their primary care physician regarding their presentation. Patients who have a background marked by asbestos presentation yet are not showing side effects ought to get chest X-beams or lung capacity tests to screen for any signs of asbestos-related infections. The most well-known type of mesothelioma, pleural mesothelioma, shapes in the covering of the lungs. Regular side effects of pleural mesothelioma incorporate the accompanying, determined dry or rough hack, inconvenience, gulping, hack that produces blood, difficult breathing, the brevity of breath, chest or rib torment, night sweats, fever, and unexplained weight reduction. Weakness and knots under the skin of the chest have additionally been accounted for in patients with pleural mesothelioma. Numerous manifestations of pleural mesothelioma happen because of pleural thickening, which is brought about by liquid development between film layers. Pleural thickening and liquid development can put weight on the lungs, causing issues with respiratory capacity. Peritoneal mesothelioma creates in the belly and makes up around 30% of all mesothelioma cases. Side effects of peritoneal mesothelioma can incorporate swelling or agony in the guts, queasiness and retching, and an adjustment in inside propensities. Peritoneal mesothelioma can likewise cause night sweats, fever, unexplained weight reduction, iron deficiency, weariness, and protuberances under the skin of the midriff. Side effects of peritoneal mesothelioma create because of the thickening of the peritoneal film and liquid development between the film layers. This can put weight on the stomach area and its organs, making the patient experience side effects of peritoneal mesothelioma. The least normal type of mesothelioma, pericardial mesothelioma, creates in the sac encompassing the heart. Side effects of pericardial mesothelioma incorporate heart palpitations, chest torment, exhaustion, inconvenience, breathing, fever, and night sweats. These side effects are brought about by liquid development and the thickening of the pericardial layer. Since pericardial mesothelioma is uncommon, its rundown of indications isn't as complete as different types of mesothelioma. Pericardial mesothelioma is regularly hard to analyze and ordinarily has a poor forecast. People encountering indications of mesothelioma should look for restorative consideration right away. Despite the fact that mesothelioma imparts side effects to various less genuine sicknesses, it's critical to get a firm analysis as quickly as time permits. In spite of the fact that the general forecast for mesothelioma is poor, patients analyzed in the prior stages commonly have a superior viewpoint. Click a link in the description to learn more about mesothelioma symptoms.